Ryan Little.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So yeah, today's video, it's a bit different, and yeah, it's my not first time but second time doing embroidery work, and I really don't like to do embroidery because I have spondylitis, and embroidery is something which needs a lot of patience, and that also I don't have. So I did some embroidery work. It looks like it's nothing, but it actually takes a lot of time. Like literally it takes a lot of time. So have fun doing or recreating this, and yeah, switch to some fabric painting because embroidery hurts, and I'm turning into a grandma that I have started embroidery work at this age. I'll say that I love fabric painting, and embroidery work is not my cup of tea. Okay, for embroidery, you need an embroidery hoop. I had so many embroidery hoops, but I have made dream catchers out of them, and I don't have one, so it was a bit difficult without the embroidery hoop, but still it was fun, and I hope you guys will enjoy the video. Like the video if you guys like the video, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, enjoy the video. So for the first DIY, I have taken a black tank top. Now about this white circle, I have hand stitched this circle. You can use a chalk or a white pen. It's just an outline which you need to follow to create the petals. For the petals, I am using the simple method of stitching. There is nothing special about it. I am just creating straight lines along the circle, and I am making the petals uneven to give it a more natural look. It's a very easy process but a very long one. It's like very tiring, but watch a movie or do something while you're doing it because you will get bored. Sunflower has different layers of petals. Some are small, some are big. That's why I created the petals uneven.
Ryan Little.
For the next one, I'm using my mom jeans, and I have been seeing this half moon and star pattern denim all over Pinterest, and I had to recreate this. So first I'm drawing the half moon. You can use a pencil or a chalk to create the outlines, but I couldn't find a pencil or a chalk, so I started the embroidery without any outlines. Yeah, I think I did pretty good, but yeah, you can use a pencil or a chalk. Again, it's the simple hand stitching method. Obviously I can't teach you hand stitching. I mean, I can, but why should I right now? So if you want to do embroidery, then first learn how to hand stitch from any other YouTube video. Because I didn't have any way to create the outlines first, so what I did, I embroidered a C, and then I started to make another smaller C and connect it with the bigger C. Did that make any sense? I don't know. You can fill in the gap of the half moon, but I didn't. I just filled it partly to make it look a bit aesthetic. For creating the stars, I used the zigzag pattern. I basically created straight lines over one another. know how to hand stitch, I think most of you do. You guys, it's really easy. You can see I'm using the basic method of hand stitching. I'm just creating straight lines over one another to create the stars. So I created a lot of small and big stars with black and white embroidery.
Ryan Little.
So for the eye patch, I used a piece of old denim. It's from an old jeans. So I drew a eye. I took the idea from Pinterest and I started to fill it with the black embroidery, the black portions, the lashes and the outlines, and also the eyeball. But I made a blunder for this DIY. As you can see, I am using black embroidery to fill in the gaps of the eye, the outlines, the lashes, and yeah, it takes a lot of time, but it will be cute. I can guarantee you it will be cute. Once you're done filling the outlines of the eye, start filling the eyeball. I'm using simple hand stitching method for this as well. As you can see, I'm using straight upward lines along the circle. And yeah, it's really easy. Take your time, take a break and keep going. I am using white embroidery to fill in the rest of the eye. Now I don't have two footages of this DIY. I don't know how it got deleted. Basically, while I was cutting the patch from this denim piece, the eyelashes, they turned out so bad because it was denim, and when you cut denim, it frays. So let me explain you. When you cut the denim piece, you can see the white threads and the black threads or the blue threads coming out. As you can see on this denim piece, look at the top portion. You can see there are frays. So that similar thing has happened when I was trying to cut out the lashes. The lashes are so thin, so I had to remove them totally. So basically I got rid of the lashes. I took the eye without the lashes and I hand stitched it to the beanie. I don't have that footage as well. So yeah, I hand stitched along the black portion. I was really sad and it took a lot of time to do those lashes. So what I did, I hand stitched the lashes on the beanie along with the eye, following the outlines of the eye. I hand stitched it and yeah, I think it turned out good. Maybe not as I expected, but still good. So this was my plan B. It worked really good. I didn't draw any outlines to hand stitch the lashes, but you can with the help of a chalk, but it's really not necessary. But still, if you're not confident, you can definitely use some chalk or pencil.
Ryan Little.
That was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like the video if you guys liked the video, and subscribe to my channel already, please. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.